Is pasta safe for chronic kidney disease? Living with chronic kidney disease, CKD, means watching what you eat carefully. Every meal matters, even something as common as pasta. Many people wonder, is pasta safe for chronic kidney disease? The answer depends on the type of pasta, portion size, and your stage of CKD. Do you want to repair your kidneys and improve your kidney function naturally? Learn the steps to lower creatinine levels and boost glomerular filtration rate. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. 1. Choose the right type of pasta. Not all pasta is the same. White pasta is lower in phosphorus and potassium, making it a safer option for most CKD patients. Whole wheat pasta has more fiber but also higher levels of potassium and phosphorus, not ideal in advanced CKD. Low-protein pasta is specially made for kidney patients and helps reduce waste buildup in the blood. 2. Watch portion size. Even healthy pasta can be risky in large amounts. A safe serving is usually half to 1 cup of cooked pasta. Eating too much adds excess carbohydrates and minerals your kidneys may struggle to handle. 3. Cook and serve smart. How you prepare pasta matters. Boil pasta in plenty of water and drain it well to lower mineral content. Avoid salty or tomato-heavy sauces, they often contain too much sodium or potassium. Try light herb or olive oil-based sauces instead. 4. Check food labels. Many store-bought pastas are enriched or fortified with phosphates. Always read ingredient lists for terms like phosphate, pyrophosphate, or polyphosphate, as these can burden the kidneys. 5. Combine with kidney-friendly foods. Pair your pasta with low-potassium vegetables such as cauliflower, cabbage, or bell peppers. Add moderate amounts of lean protein, like chicken or fish, if allowed by your doctor. So, is pasta safe for chronic kidney disease? Yes, when eaten in moderation and chosen wisely. Go for white or low-protein pasta, avoid high-sodium sauces, and control your portions. Always consult a renal dietitian before making major diet changes. With proper guidance, pasta can still be part of a balanced kidney-friendly meal plan. Do you want to repair your kidneys and improve your kidney function naturally? Learn the steps to lower creatinine levels and boost glomerular filtration rate. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.